For the past few weeks, ang dami natin nakikita mga teaser from Infinix. Meron daw collaboration with JBL. Meron daw siya Dimensity 680. And best of all, 5G na siya. And ito na siya, Infinix Note 30 5G. Ito ang madalas sila tinitease for the past few weeks sa social media. So today in this video, pag-usapan natin everything about this phone's kanyang performance, kanyang camera, and especially sa kanyang 5G na capability. Simulan natin with a quick unboxing after this quick intro. Hi guys, I'm Sulit from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. A quick shout out to our good friends at Bistro Charlemagne for sending this nice shirt over, and it really rocks, and sobrang lambot ng kanyang tela. I really love it. It's perfect for unboxing sessions like this one. Kung gusto nyo mag-celebrate with the whole family, don't forget to check them out sa kanyang Facebook page, Bistro Charlemagne, and kanyang Instagram page, Bistro Charlemagne. So enough talk, buksan muna natin to. So guys, this is the all-new Infinix Note 30 5G, and it's being powered by the Dimensity 6080 5G. Ultra-fast gameplay, and it has up to 16 gigs of RAM. Itong itsura ng kanyang sides, and here are some quick specs. So, buksan natin. Now guys, itong Infinix Note 30 series has an official partnership with MPL Season 11. So, hilain lang natin. This one is just a cover. So, this is the real box. So, may sound siya by JBL. So, improve ang sounds nito for sure. And it also has 45 watts na all-round fast charging brick. So, buksan natin. So, taking it out of the box. Ito yung tsura niya, no? And it looks good. This is the Interstellar Blue, by the way. Ganda na kanyang pagka-blue, guys. So, kita natin ang kanyang design is latex. And it has double barrel na design sa kanyang camera module. And medyo malaki nga lang kanyang square dito. And meron siyang 108MP na sensor. Sa ilalim niya, meron siyang audio jack, microphone in, Type-C port, and of course, ang kanyang loudspeaker. On the other side, ang kanyang fingerprint scanner / power button, and of course, ang kanyang volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, sound by JBL, and of course, loudspeaker. On the other side, it's a SIM tray. Check lang natin. Basically, this one is a triple card slot. This one is a micro SD. And sa kabila is dalawang nano SIM na 5G. And ang kanyang front camera is a punch hole. Other things inside the box, SIM ejector tool, warranty card. Uy, ito bago. Tempered glass. Hindi lang siya film, it's a tempered glass. Uy, nice. Meron pa siyang cleaning kit dito. This one I like. Ganda ng ganang case, This one is a MPL na case, and it's collaborated with Infinix. So, yeah, this one is cool. Hi, astig. Ang ganda ng ganang case. I really like it. Then, ang kanyang 45 watts na fast charging brick together with a Type-C cable. So yan guys, nakita na everything na i-expect nyo sa loob ng box ng Infinix Note 30 5G. And by the way guys, ang presyo na itong phone na ito, ang 8 gigs of RAM and 120 gigs of storage will be priced at $9,499. For online buyers, magkakaroon siya ng special price at $9,399. And there's a higher variant, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage will be priced at $9,999. And of course, meron din siya special price at $9,899 para sa mga online buyers. Infinix Note 30 4G will be launched together with the Infinix Note 30 5G. And here is the price list na makikita natin. And of course, there is also the early bird price. The Note 30 VIP will be announced pretty soon. And don't forget guys, magkakaroon pala Note 30 4G and Note 30 VIP on the coming days to be announced pretty soon. Ito phone nga pala na ito, it has 3 colors, Magic Black, Interstellar Blue, and Sunset Gold. Ang meron natin is the Interstellar Blue. And mas papansin nyo guys, pag inilawan siya, ang ganda. Nagkakaroon siya ng parang gold na finish na may pagka-rainbow. And pag inilawan ko to phone na ito sa halogen bulb, makita nyo ang ganda ng kanyang labas. It really looks very premium. With that design, hindi mo akalain to phone na ito is priced at below 10,000 pesos. Mukhang siyang mamahalin na phone at siguro mga nasa 20,000 pesos na price range. So itong phone na ito has one of the newer chips na nilabas ni MediaTek. This one is this MediaTek Dimensity 6080. And of course, gusto natin i-check ang kanyang benchmarking. Take a quick look sa benchmarking na Antutu benchmark. Nakakuha siya ng roughly 385,000 points. Near 400,000 ang kanyang score na na-achieve dito. And these are the breakdown scores na makita nyo. Quite impressive din ang kanyang score dito sa 3D Mark for GPU graphics test. And maganda rin ang kanyang score dito sa Geekbench. So nilagay ko itong phone na ito sa thermal throttling test, and I can tell you na ang ganda na kanyang result. I have done this for 5 times, 5 cycles, to make sure na tama nakuha natin result, and all green ang binigay na sa atin. So malalaman natin a little bit later pagdating sa gaming kung okay ba siya. So itong phone na ito has a 6.78-inch na IPS LCD, and it has a near 90% na screen to body ratio, and ang kanyang display is FHD+. Now, meron siyang 120Hz of screen refresh rate and 580 nits ang kanyang maximum brightness. And you can freely switch between 60, 90, and 120, or you can also use kanyang auto. So sa kanyang color, pwede ka mong calibrate between original color or bright color. Mas maganda syempre pag nilagay mo sa bright color. So one of the things na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is maganda ka na display. You can watch all the films na gusto mo dito, be it anime, basketball game, or Korean novela. Lahat enjoyable siya dito with the whole family, with your buong barkada, watching mga movies like Duty After School. I can say okay naman siya even though na medyo dark siya. Well, hindi naman siya kasing ganda ng mga AMOLED display, but I can say it's really decent. Okay siya panoorin dito sa phone na ito. And the colors are good. And the resolution is pretty nice. Now, one of the things na gusto ko dito sa phone na ito is it's calibrated together with JBL. And it's probably the first na phone ni Infinix na Note series to collaborate with JBL. Alam na natin what JBL can do. And I've been trying to sound test itong phone na ito on gaming, on watching videos, on Spotify. I can say, as compared sa Note 20, parang gumanda ang sounds dito sa phone na ito. Yung quality ng sound has improved. Hindi naman siguro drastic, pero pag pinakinggan mo siya side by side with the Note 20, masasabi mo na, uy, kumanda nga talaga sound nito. So enough talk, sound check muna tayo. So after testing tong kanyang loudspeaker, I can say okay nga ng sound, sagad mo sa 100%. Okay, hindi siya tunog lata, maganda nga ng sound quality. So kung mahilig ka mag-browse ng social media, itong phone na ito, when you're browsing on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, okay na okay. Smooth na smooth, lalang na 120Hz of screen refresh rate, walang problema. Ito naman ang sample when you're browsing on TikTok, smooth na smooth siya. And of course, browsing is really a breeze. Especially kung magandang connection ng internet, well, I don't see any problem here. Itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery, so it can support up to 45 watts na thunder charge. Thunder. So ang sabi ni Infinix that this one can charge from 0 to 75 in just 30 minutes. And tinry ko naman siya i-charge from 10 to 100, nagtapos naman siya in just 1 hour and 15 minutes. So nirate natin itong phone na ito under PC Mark na battery stress test. It was able to achieve near 13 hours dito sa phone na ito, which is quite okay for me. One of the things siguro tatanong mo sa akin kung makunat ba ang battery na ito. Well, I can say na okay naman siya. I was able to last the full day when in just one single charge dito sa phone na ito, starting the day at 8 o'clock and ending the day at mga 6. So, ano ginawa ko? Social media, taking some calls, taking some photos, playing some games. It was able to last me through the day. And siguro at the end of the day, meron mga 25 to 30% of battery on average dito sa phone na ito, which is quite impressive. And one of the highlights dito sa phone na ito, this one is being collaborated with MPL and Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Kaya napansin nyo, ang ganda ng wallpaper ng phone ko. It's because this is a special theme for Note 30 ni Infinix. So another advantage nitong phone na ito is meron siyang bypass charging. So ma-access mo lang siya sa game mode and i-turn on na lang itong bypass charging. So every time that you're playing na naka-charge ang phone mo kahit lagpas na siya ng 100%, it will just pass through. So meaning hindi na siya kumakarga sa inyong battery. And for sure, mas magiging protected ang inyong battery kasi mas mapaprolong ang kanyang lifespan thanks to the bypass charging na function which is present dito sa Infinix Note 30 5G. Which for me is madalang sa mga phones at this price point. So nilaro ko muna dito Mobile Legends Bang Bang and this is the graphical settings na meron niya. Ultra ang kanyang refresh rate and high ang kanyang graphical settings. E makita mo yung Mia Doom catalyst can be seen sa sleeves and watch out mga MLBB fans kasi Infinix might give away this skin. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page for more updates on this one. So playing Mobile Legends Bang Bang, ang smooth ng kanyang graphics and well honestly, wala ako na-feel na frame drops dito along the way. Overall, ang gameplay dito sa game na ito is smooth. And yeah, honestly, nag-enjoy ako dito playing MLBB. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is maganda-gandang sounds. And ang gandang touch response dito sa phone na ito is very, very responsive. Wala akong na-feel halos na lag. And well, quite cool naman ang kanyang phone dito sa likod. Only achieving at around mga 40 degrees Celsius. Now, moving on naman sa Call of Duty Mobile. Nilaro ko rin itong game na to for roughly mga 1 hour non-stop straight. Okay ang kanyang graphics, and well, honestly, halos minor lang nafe-feel kong frame drops dito dahil this one has a 16 gigs of RAM, so more than enough ang kanyang memory dito. So playing this game is smooth and just very minor na frame drops. And ang kanyang sound is really nice. Marinig mo kanyang mga footsteps when you're playing with this phone dahil this being tuned with JBL. So I expect the sound is a little bit better compared sa mga predecessor ni Note 30. Dahil malaki ang kanyang display, so very enjoyable playing shooting games on this phone, and the touch response is okay. So ang touch response naman dito sa phone na ito is quite responsive, so I have no problem playing with this game. So enjoyable talaga siya. So if you're playing mga PUBG and mga Wild Rift, expect the same good performance din dito sa phone na ito. Now, let's talk a little bit about yung kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. So this one has a really nice design na camera module dito sa likod. It's a double barrel design, so latest ang design nito phone na ito. So it has a 108MP na main camera sensor together with a 2MP na depth sensor. And sa kanyang harap, there's a 16MP na front-facing shooter. And one thing that you should love about itong phone na ito is that front and rear camera niya, it can shoot up to 2K and 30 FPS, which is quite impressive para sa kanyang price point. Nilabas ko itong phone na ito trying to take some photos on outdoor condition, and I was able to take in some night shot naman on some plants, some greens. Okay naman siya. What's nice dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang camera is not saturated unlike other phones at this price point. Medyo sinasaturate nila yung mga photos to make it a little bit better compared sa, well, the rest of the market. But this one, quite natural naman kanyang display, and so yeah, I love it. Ang gandang mga pictures na nakukuha ko dito. Most of the time naman, okay mga shots, but there are times na medyo sumasablay din siya. Medyo nag-overexpose siya ng konti, lalo kung medyo malakas ang araw. But it's quite good kung if you're using proper lighting, okay naman ang kanyang camera dito sa phone na ito. Now, if you bring this one indoor low light, kaya din naman niya mag-perform. But there are times na medyo madilim nga lang ng konti. So yeah, you just have to give it some really nice na lightings to be able to perform better. So, trying to take some photos ang 1x and itong 2x na zoom shot niya. So, I did try to take some sunset shots, and these are the results na nakuha natin. And tinry ko naman gamitin ang kanyang super night camera, and these are some results, which is pretty not bad din. Now, using the front-facing camera, I can say mga photos na nakuha ko on outdoor is quite okay. And the photos na nakuha ko indoor are a little bit dark dahil medyo hirap nga lang siya sa low light conditions. Well lit naman yung area like itong sa studio shot ko, it looks good din. So I did take some videos dito sa phone na ito from the front camera and the rear camera. Let's just see some samples dito. So guys, this is the Infinix Note 30 5G, and right now it's recording using a surprising 2K and 30 FPS, and I can say the resolution is pretty nice. It's pretty decent for a vlogging phone like this one, and it's more of a gaming phone, to be honest with you. Now, I can say that panning around it's not very shaky, though I'm just using my bare hand and putting it up and down, and well, it's pretty stable. Well, what can you say? So guys, this is the resolution you'll be getting if you're using this phone indoors for vlogging. So both the front and rear camera is a little bit shaky when you're using your bare hand. But of course, syempre, makokorek naman yan when you're using a gimbal or a tripod. It should help a lot. Now, ang kanyang video quality is quite good dahil it can shoot up to 2K and 30 FPS. For me, okay na okay yan. For TikTok, for content creating, kayang-kaya na ito phone na ito. So right now guys, itetest natin ang kanyang 5G dito sa phone na ito. I'm using Globe, and tinry ko rin Smart the other day. Okay rin, may 5G din, mabilis siya makasagap. So try na natin mag-speed test. So medyo slow lang dito sa aking studio dahil sa indoor. But nung tinest ko naman to on outdoor sa Makati, it was able to give me roughly mga 400 Mbps. So well, dito sa studio, medyo slower nga lang talaga siya. And still achieving a 222 Mbps download speed is still not bad here sa loob na aking studio. So after playing with this phone for quite some time dito sa aking studio and been bringing it as my daily driver, what can I say about this phone? 1, mabilis sa kanyang 5G. 2, okay siya for gaming. 3, quite decent naman kanyang camera. And 4, I like the design of this phone. And what's best dito sa kanya is it's priced below 10,000 pesos. So if you compare sa mga likes ni Redmi Note 12 or si Realme C55, I think this is priced a little bit lower and meron pa siyang 5G which the other two doesn't have. para sa akin, personally, this phone is the better pick if you're looking for phones below 10,000 pesos as compared to the other brands that I just mentioned. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan pwede mabili to, I'll be linking everything on the description box below. And this one is Lazada exclusive. So I'll be posting the official link down there on the description box. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit nyo yung bell icon para di nyo ma-miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.